In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a chatbot on HubSpot. Whether you're looking to engage more effectively with your website visitors or capture crucial information like email addresses, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process with ease. So, grab your device, ensure you're logged into your HubSpot account, and let's dive right in. First, once you've successfully logged into HubSpot, you'll find yourself on the home page. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. This is your central hub where most of the magic happens, and being comfortable with this space is key. Look to the left side of your screen. This is where the menu options are neatly lined up. Find and click on Service. This section is dedicated to all service-related tools and functionalities HubSpot has to offer. Next, you'll locate Chat Flows in the menu. Clicking on this will bring you to the area where you'll design and manage your chatbots. Get ready to unleash your creativity as we craft a custom experience for your website visitors. Now, look for the Create Chat Flow button. This is your starting point for building your chatbot. Once you click it, you'll be prompted to choose where this chat flow will reside. For today's tutorial, select Website. This will ensure your newly created chatbot interacts with visitors directly on your site. The next phase is to set up chat. It's straightforward from here. Follow the prompts, ensuring each step reflects the needs of your website and its visitors. After setting up the initial chat configuration, click Next. We're continuing to build momentum, as the next step is to click once more on Create. Here's where you really get into the essence of your chatbot. HubSpot provides you with an array of chat flow types tailored for different purposes. It's time to let your creativity shine. Consider what your website needs the most in terms of user engagement. Maybe you only need a simple bot to capture email addresses, building a list for future marketing strategies. Or perhaps you're aiming for something more sophisticated, like a bot capable of handling frequently asked questions from your visitors. Whatever your goal, think strategically. Choosing the right type of chat flow can make a significant difference in how well your website performs. Take your time to explore the options and visualize the kind of interactions you want to facilitate between your chatbot and visitors. By following these easy steps and making thoughtful decisions about your chat flow preferences, you'll create a powerful tool that enhances user engagement on your website. Now, go ahead, put these steps into action and build the perfect HubSpot chatbot.